up, Spy Ninjas? Today we are taking down the PZ Killer! Yeah! And do we know where he or she is? Well, the end is the beginning, and the beginning is the end.
Yeah.
You know where that is?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go! Woo! It is, of course, the first place that we saw the PZ Killer, where they took out Project Zorgo 2.0 with Agent Peters. Here at the warehouse. We're coming for you, PZ Killer.
You're going down today. We have never battled a PZ Killer before.
Whatever it is, it's going down.
Yeah, you're going down, PZ Killer.
PZ Killer.
Let's go inside, Daniel. Wait, shh. What's this? What was that? Dude, that's a white Tesla.
Then that's gotta be PZ Killer. We know he got Teslas.
Let's go. Let's follow that Tesla. Let's go.
Yeah, follow it.
Hold on tight, everybody.
It is a human. It's a human, confirmed.
It's right there.
There it is.
Yeah!
Oh, no. Whoa.
Whoa!
There he is.
He's going fast.
Oh.
He stopped.
He stopped? Where?
Slowing down.
Oh my gosh, he's right there.
Is this the PZ Killer? Wait, there's something coming out of the car.
Oh my gosh.
It's fog.
There's fog coming out.
Well, that's gotta be the PZ Killer.
Oh my
Look at all that fog. How can he drive like that?
The PZ Killer is always using smoke and fog.
I'll try to cut him off right here. He's got nowhere to go.
Yeah, cut him off, Melvin. Cut him off right there.
You know what happens when he does the fog?
Yes, perfect.
Maybe it's time to go ahead and confront him.
There's more fog coming out of the windows. Daniel, this is the chance we have to go approach the car and take out the PZ Killer right now.
Now's our chance.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
Are we gonna do it?
Let's do it right now.
Okay, let's go.
Whoa, it's fogging up really bad.
Surrounded. Make
Everyone's
sure it doesn't
surrounded.
escape for anything.
PZ Killer, your car is surrounded.
There's a lot of smoke. Be careful.
Oh my gosh, we can't even see inside who's driving. Oh.
In there.
We might be able to see the PZ Killer right now.
You guys ready to battle?
Oh my gosh, yeah. We're gonna actually battle him right now?
Yeah.
It's now or never. We just have to do it.
The PZ Killer killed all the Project Zorgo members that one day.
We've been training for this moment. We're geared up.
And there's 5 of us and only 1 of them. This is it, PZ Killer. This is the end.
Yeah, PZ Killer, you tried to end me. I'm gonna end you, PZ Killer.
We're so close. Let's do this, guys.
Your terror ends tonight.
PZ Killer, I'm not afraid of you anymore. The Spy Ninjas are ready for you. You are gonna meet your demise.
Green lasers!
Lasers!
Get down, everybody! You might not be able to see us.
Oh my gosh.
It's right above our heads.
Careful.
Stay low and they won't detect us.
We never planned to battle the PZ Killer in a Tesla. I think we should regroup back to the mobile command center.
Yeah, a new plan, new plan. Don't let the green laser hit you.
Oh my gosh, it's back.
You got a mirror?
Right here, the Spy Ninja covert communicator has a mirror underneath the compass.
You're right, Chad. Quick, Regina, go crawl. I'll get the car going. Somebody else go. Go, Chad.
Go. Let's go.
Come on, go. Let's go, guys.
We gotta think of a new plan.
We didn't know we were gonna fight him out here in vehicle-to-vehicle combat.
How do we take down a Tesla?
Okay, we're gonna circle around to find another plan, he said. Okay. Wait, PZ Killer's following us.
He's right behind
He's
us.
shooting a green laser.
Oh!
What is he aiming at?
My eyes.
I think he's trying to hit the rear view mirror.
Melvin, he got Melvin. Melvin, are you okay? He got you. Oh my gosh.
Melvin, are you okay?
Are you okay in there?
Oh no, he pulled in front of us now.
Melvin, put on your glasses. It'll help your eyes. Daniel, how are you guys doing?
We're doing good. We need to come up with a plan.
Yeah.
Oh, what up? Oh my gosh, there's fog here.
There's spots. Back up, Melvin.
He says to back up.
Huh? Just back up?
Yeah.
Oh, that was the curve.
Are you guys okay back there?
Yeah, we're okay. How's your eyes doing, Melvin?
It's okay. I think if I wear these Spy Ninja night vision glasses, I can still see okay.
Okay, perfect. We gotta stop this PZ Killer right now for good.
The PZ Killer's moving again. I'm good to drive.
I think it's our time to chase after him.
Yeah, look.
He's trying to run away from us.
He's over there.
You ain't gonna escape us, PZ Killer. Wait, he stopped in front of the building. That car is filled with fog and smoke.
He stopped.
Can you see his face?
I just see fog everywhere.
We're going over there.
Wait, careful.
Wait.
Check this out.
Careful, guys. He has lasers.
I don't think he's in there anymore.
It's so foggy.
It's just filled with fog.
Remember, Chad? There was a bunch of Teslas in this parking lot before?
Yeah, they're all gone now.
Well, this is his then, or one of his many.
Wait, there's a trail of smoke. This way, guys, this way.
We're gonna follow it.
Yeah, I'm gonna follow this fog. It's going into this doorway.
Are we ready to enter the belly of the beast once again?
Yeah.
Yes.
Get the mirrors ready.
Get your mirror ready.
Get the mirrors ready. Get your communicators on. PZ9 coming in. Check 1 2 1 2 1 2.
Yes.
Enter the belly of the beast.
Yes.
We will become the cat, and we're chasing the mouse.
Yeah. Let's go. Okay, guys, we gotta find this PZ killer.
Guys, look right behind you, Chad.
Behind me? What the heck's all that fog?
What happened to this place? Why does it look so different?
Here, let me light it up.
You can see the night vision, Melvin?
I don't know, some kind of construction.
So does that mean the PC killer is destroying this place too?
We need to approach this huge lift. Come on, guys, follow me. Look up there. What is this thing? I see some movement up there.
Where all the fog is coming from? Wait a minute.
You see something green? Moving. Something's moving.
Moving.
That's the
PC killer!
Regina, you've come back, and you brought the rest of the spy. I'd have thought you'd all learned your lessons. But now that I'm free, I plan to do so much.
It's a guy.
Dude!
Why can't he talk now? Before he always made a screeching sound.
Well, it's because I made the voice morpher for him.
Why'd you do that?
Because he captured me.
Regina, he said you brought back all your Spy Ninja friends. Is
Yeah.
this a trap?
No, I did bring all my Spy Ninja friends. And
Yeah.
we're gonna take you down.
Yeah. If we can get you down from there.
Take me down. What? Your spy ninja skills, that teamwork of yours. Good luck.
Punk. I liked him better when he could talk.
Hey, what is he talking about? We did take down Project Zorgo on December 31st.
We took down more Zorgo members than you did on September 4th, yeah, goon.
We took down the real leader.
Well then, if you're feeling so confident, why don't we get this little party started?
Whoa! Laser split up, everybody! Regina, this way!
Go!
Oh!
Quick, we gotta hide.
Take over! Oh!
He's got too many lasers.
Oh!
Behind this forklift.
Melvin, where did the others go?
They went the other side.
Well, we need to take him down.
How are we gonna take him out when he's up on a higher level like that?
That's a scissor lift.
Yeah.
I've been on one of these with Steven Scherer in that one video. There's control at the bottom of the scissor lift. If we can get there and turn it off, then he has to come down.
I can avoid these lasers and get over there to that button.
Well, what? He's got such an advantage right now.
It's so annoying that I gave him a voice back.
At least we know he speaks English. We could talk smack to him, hurt his feelings.
It's true.
You distract him, Chad.
You sneak up, push the button.
Okay, perfect. 1, 2, 3. Hey, hit me with those lasers, huh?
Okay, V.
Should I go now?
Wait a little bit.
What if I just climb that scissor lift and push him off of it?
Melvin, are you crazy?
Yeah, the other team might be in danger.
Wait a little bit. Oh my god. Okay, no.
Other way, Chad! Other way!
There's too many lasers, guys.
Oh my gosh, V. Oh my gosh.
Oh, he's getting hit.
What happened, Chad? Why'd you stop?
You guys weren't moving, and he was hitting me with the lasers. That was gonna happen.
Dang it, now we're split up.
Got my covert communicator. I can communicate with me right now.
To the right, and then you distract him to the right, and I'll go on the left.
That's a perfect idea, V. I'll distract him on the left, and you go on the right. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Hey, whoa. Okay, V, go. Go, V, go. This way, this way.
Where is it? It should be right here.
I don't think he sees us anymore. We're too low.
Where's the emergency down button?
See it anywhere?
We need to get back and regroup and come up with a new plan. Come on.
Go!
How is he making this smoke? He doesn't have infinite smoke.
No, that's impossible. It needs to be powered. Maybe there's a way to cut the power of his smoke.
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea, Regina.
Use your night vision goggles and see if there's any, wires or anything.
Okay, let's move around.
The emergency release button wasn't there, but there's definitely a button at the top.
Of course, our controls are always at the top.
But how are we gonna get up to the top?
Any ladders around here or something?
Dude, we don't have time to climb the ladder.
Oh, guys. We trained for this exact moment. Remember? I used my handy dandy Daniel Gizmo drone.
Yeah! To fly up high and press those buttons. Now's your chance. You can fly up there, and if your drone can hit the down button, that'll bring him down. We can battle Royale in battle.
Yes, I got the Gizmo drone right in here.
I can just fly it into the lever up there. The drone will hit the button, and he'll go beep. He'll be on our level.
Yeah.
We drag him out of there.
Now,
Defeat him for good.
all right, here we go. Yes! Here it goes.
You hear that? That sounds like Daniel's drone.
It's his handy dandy Daniel drone.
This is gonna be our opportunity to move in close.
Go, Melvin, go.
Good move, Regina. We're behind him now.
Daniel's distraction drone is working.
Yes, now we have a way clearer view of the PZ killer.
I can only see his back. But you know what I do see?
What?
You see that orange power cable running down the back?
Yeah.
That's probably what's powering the fog.
So we need to cut that power supply. I think it's a perfect time to go snip.
This is also a perfect time to just climb up the scissor lift and take him.
Melvin, no! Melvin! Brother! What the? Melvin! Stop! Oh, the glasses! They broke! Get cover again. Melvin, that was so dumb! You're gonna get into yourself in trouble, bro!
But the PZ killer's right there. He's within reach.
I know! Melvin, but look at the cord running down from the lift.
Yeah.
The lasers are pointing that way. Melvin, look!
Yeah.
Follow it. We're gonna cut his power. Come in, Chad, V, Daniel.
Regina, I hear you loud and clear.
Melvin and I found.
Alarm mean!
The PZ killer is setting off the alarm! We gotta hide, we gotta get down, get down!
Hide!
Guys, we found the power supply. We're gonna cut his power. I don't know if they can hear me anymore. What do I do? Just pull it. Pull it. Are you sure? Pull it. Okay. Ah!
It stopped.
It stopped. Guys, it stopped. I pulled the power.
Yeah, what you guys did worked, the alarm stopped!
I don't think he can make any more fog anymore.
Great work, guys!
Nice job.
We can get back over there, and Daniel, like you were saying, use your drone to hit the button and lower that thing.
I think it'll work.
Okay.
All right, let's go back over there.
All right, Regina. Let's do this.
Get ready to battle, because Daniel's about to lower this lift.
It's working.
Nice, come on, this is it.
Surround him.
Come on, PZ killer. You versus us. Oh! He threw a smoke grenade! Oh! There he goes!
Get him!
You went this way!
Easy killer!
Whoa!
You cornered, PZ killer!
You kidnapped me and you strapped a bomb on me?
You didn't think I had what it takes to be a spy ninja?
You killed nice hackers who's trying to start a new life like PZ314 and PZ Squire!
You tried to drown me underneath the pool, trapping me inside that plastic coffin.
And to think at the beginning we thought you were a good guy and even considered you to become a spy ninja. Today is the end of the PZ killer.
Yeah!
Such is the price of freedom.
Whoa!
I can't see anything!
Where are you guys?
Where is everybody?
Everybody group up!
We gotta get back to back. He can't attack us if he can't get behind us, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, where are you, PZ killer?
PZ killer?
We're not afraid of you.
Watch out, time the lasers are on!
Quick, get out your mirror.
There's too much lasers going on!
These mirrors aren't gonna work. We need something more powerful than mirrors. Wait, my first aid kit, guys.
No one's hurt right now.
Yeah, these thermal blankets right here. These can reflect light and heat. Like a mirror, a huge mirror.
Cover up, everybody!
Oh my god!
I've got more. Yes, use that. Daniel, I got one for me and you too, man.
Nice!
Look, the lasers are bouncing right off of him.
It's bouncing off! Look at that!
This is working perfectly. Daniel, get behind here with me.
Okay.
Spy Ninja mirror tent.
Yes!
Nice!
Form a ceiling.
Is it working? Daniel, can you check?
Yeah. Let's take a peek outside. Yeah, it's definitely working.
Melvin, you know how PZ Killer shined the lasers and redirected it into your eyeballs?
Yeah, off of my rearview mirror.
Why don't we just do the same thing to him? Redirect the laser into his eyeballs and blind him. Here, use this.
We're all big targets. How can we get the mirror in front of the laser without being seen?
That calls for the tiniest spy ninja. He probably won't be able to see me as well.
You are the most stealthy, B.
You got this, girl.
Okay, you guys gonna cover me, right, if anything happens?
Yeah. For B, let's do a Spy Ninja mirror chimney. Perfect.
Here I go.
Be careful.
Be careful, watch your head.
Oh my gosh, look!
Blind him like you did to me!
There you go, V. Oh, you were close.
I think you got him, V. I don't see the lasers.
Whoa, look at the laser!
Oh, they're dysfunctioning. I think you broke it. Yes.
Clever little trick. It's all my business, but it won't be enough.
Even his mask is like blinking now.
Oh my gosh, he's malfunctioning!
Good move, Chad, with the blanket.
Yeah, we don't need these anymore. You broke his lasers. Yeah.
Yeah, we all did! It was teamwork.
Now what, PZ Killer?
Now I can see what you're truly made of.
Quick, back to back again, back to back.
Okay, where are you guys?
Where is this PZ Killer at? Keep your eyes peeled, guys. He's using this fog to disguise himself.
It's so
Chad, are you okay?
Come on, Chad, you're still good. Get up, man.
I think I see him over there or something. I don't know.
Get up.
Where is he?
We need everybody.
See where he is?
Oh! Regina!
Gosh, come on!
That's me.
Chad.
It's me.
What?
Ninjas, we need to clear the fog. Get your fans out.
Yes.
Back to back, guys, back to back. Get your fans out.
Wait, guys, I don't have a fan. Where'd you guys get those?
Regina, take mine.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna fly my handy dandy Daniel Gizmo drone. The propellers will get rid of the smoke too.
Okay.
Let's go to the Spinado formation.
Spinado.
Better away, better away. Yes, it's clearing out. The smoke is clearing out.
Is it enough?
We need more air.
Daniel, the drone.
All right,
Yeah, good job, Daniel.
Yes. Woo.
there's my drone.
Keep fanning everybody.
Clearing it out. It's clearing it
Everything's
out.
working.
Nice.
Wow.
It's battle mode time now. We cleared out your fog. You got nothing else against us.
I let you all walk out of here with your lives. I should have left you buried in the water. I should have left you with that bomb when I did. I should have just gotten rid of you when I had the chance after I got my voice back. But you all want to waste your lives going after me. Fine. I'm done with the games. It was fun to talk while I had my voice back.
Regina, your voice morpher's not working for him anymore.
That's good.
Maybe he's back to his true form.
I don't have too much time left, so I'm gonna have to finish this quick.
Bring it out. You're a good fighter, PC Killer, but you've never faced off against my transforming stun shot. Ha!
Let it happen.
No. Hey, take it back. No.